Wall planters are creative and space-saving way to add greenery and style to your indoor or outdoor living spaces. Here are some wall planters ideas to inspire you. Vertical garden. Create a stunning vertical garden on your outdoor wall by using a variety of planters in different sizes and shapes. Mix and match plants with contrasting colors and textures for a visually appealing display. Hanging pockets. Use fabric or canvas pockets to create a hanging wall planters. These pockets can be attached to a wooden frame or directly to the wall. Fill them with herbs, succulents, or training plants. Shelf planters. Install floating shelves on your wall and place potted plants on them. This not only adds greenery but also serves as functional shelving for other decorative items. Mason jar wall planters. Attach mason jars to a wooden board or hang it on your wall. Fill the jars with small plants or herbs. This rustic look adds a charming touch to your space. Repurposed materials. Upcycle old wooden crates, pallets, or tin cans to create unique wall planters. Paint or stain them to match your decor and plant your favorite flowers or herbs. Frame planters. Use old picture frames or create custom wooden frames with built-in planters. These can be hung on the wall or placed on a table for a more three-dimensional effect. Pocket planters. Hang pocket-style planters made of felt or fabric in a grid pattern on your wall. Fill them with a variety of small plants or herbs for a lush green display. Rain gutter planters. Repurpose rain gutters as wall planters. Mount them horizontally on the wall. Fill them with soil and plant your favorite flowers or herbs. This works particularly well for trailing plants. Indoor herb wall. Grow herbs indoors by dedicating a wall to an herb garden. Install shelves or use wall-mounted containers for each herb. Label them for easy identification and access. Living wall systems. Invest in modular living wall systems that allow you to grow plants in a grid of small planters. These systems are perfect for larger installations both indoors and outdoors. Remember to consider factors like lighting, plant care, and your overall design aesthetic when choosing wall planter ideas for your home or garden. With the right approach, wall planters can transform any space into a green oasis. Thanks for watching.